Hey, what's up? Do you have a phone? Do you have a laptop or a tablet or any device that you can access the internet but trying to find a way how to make money? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $98 in 60 seconds or less. Just what I'm about to share with you, how to make some money from home, how to make money right now, and how to get started. So most of you probably wondering, is people out there still making money? Absolutely. Every single day from the internet. So I'm going to show you how this is done. So now is a good time to get in, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how to set everything up. So if this is your first time here, welcome. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. And if it's your first time here, hey, show some love. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And you can share this on your Facebook page or any social media platform because there's so many people out there right now that are looking for a way to make some money online. And if you could help, that'd be great because I'm helping right now. So let's jump into the video right away. So what you want to do, you want to head over to this website. This website is called warriorplus.com. The website is absolutely free. You could just come on over here and you could just sign up. And as soon as you sign up, you could just log in. So what is Warrior Plus? Warrior Plus have tons of different affiliate products that you can find. And there's so many people out there looking for help. They're looking for the right product that can solve their problem. And that's where you're going to come in. So they have from affiliate network to like educational, digital stuff. If a person would like to learn about a specific area online, then there will be a product that can suit them for. All right. So once you sign up, you're gonna log in. Now you always see a bunch of different products. Just right over here, you have like today. What is the hottest thing that has been selling today? And you have yesterday. What's up for yesterday? 7 days ago, last 30 days. So you could just click through it and you can see what the type of product. If I were you, and this is what I do, I make sure that I go in, right? And I look at, if you have some time, I look and I check out most of these videos. I look at their videos, I look at the funnels, and if it's a right fit for me, if it's something that I would buy personally, that would be the one that I would promote. Fair and simple. If you want to go out and promote something that you think, okay, this looks like it's something that I would buy. If you have that vibe, then I think that's the one you should promote because as long as it has a lot of integrity, that is the main thing. So I already did some research already on some of these products. And the one that really caught my attention so far is this one. It's called Fast Client Funnel Restaurant. So there's so many restaurants out there right now that are struggling to get people. They're looking, and I actually watched the video. I did watch the video, and they're looking for people to get inside of their restaurant. Some of them don't even know how to rank on YouTube, on Google, or in the search engine optimization. So that's what this is. You can click on it and you could see it's a video, which is pretty cool. So it's like $9 quarantine sale. So they're selling it right now for $9. Restaurant owners are paying you $500 just to fix their problem. So as you can see right here, you could just watch it. You could click it. You could watch it. See if it's something that resonate with you, and that's totally fine. So what I did was, and it's actually the deal of the day as shooting this video. When I click on restaurant and I do it, I've found it, and right down here it says fast client restaurants, funnel restaurants. So out of 250 people so far, 10% are converting, and this is for today. The visitor value is $2.14. Average sale is 21 and 36, and they have a 1% refund, which is pretty cool. So if the refund is low, conversion is high, that is something good, right? So you can test it, and I'm gonna show you where to find traffic. So if you've gotten this far so far, hey, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And if you haven't, leave me a comment in the comment section, so that way I know that you've been watching the videos. So once you find the product, of course, you want to request, just request and tell them, hey, I would love to send some traffic to this affiliate link, and that's all you have to do. You tell them, I want to send some traffic to the affiliate link, and I want to see if this offer converts. Pretty simple. Now, I looked at the fast client funnel because I always want to look and see what it is. So the overview, it's marketing, education, advertising, keywords, consulting, Google My Business, restaurants. So if you look over here on the price section, so this is Luther, the price section is from $9 to like 499. Commission range from like 450 to 200, 203, and there's like a recurrent payment, which is good. So if you got someone who's paying you every single month, that's a beautiful thing. If you want to look at how the funnel is set up, this is what their funnel look like. So this is the main page. Boom, OTO1, done for you marketing kit. Boom, they go here. If not, they go here. And once they go here, they're gonna go back here. So they go from here, they can either choose this or they can either choose this. So if they do choose this, this is gonna take them here. If they choose this, it's gonna go here, and it's just gonna go from here to here. Pretty simple. So that's how the funnel is set up. These are some of the products that you can look at. There's a price, that's how much commission you're gonna be getting, right? The done for you kit, that's what most people will be buying. So the first price is 9, and the done for you, so that's like an upsell right there. So it's 950. The done for you kit promo, 97, 48.50, and of course the custom reservation, and this right here, they give you a 25. And for the trial, the inner circle gold trial is a 27, so you get 100% commission on that. So that's sweet. So now you find the product, you did some research, now it's time for you to go promote it. Now, there's so many different places that you can go, right? You can go on Quora, you can go into Facebook groups, different Facebook groups about restaurants, because Facebook has tons of groups, Quora has tons of groups, and it's, if they wanna learn about restaurants, right? So if I go on Facebook and I type in restaurant groups, right? So if I type in restaurant groups, I'm sure you're gonna find a ton of people like this. Restaurant owners and managers. I would join this group. Restaurant owners and startup, join these. So I'll be joining these groups. I'm not gonna go in there and spam my link, but there will be questions that people will be asking over and over again. And if they would like to get more people and more clients to their restaurant, guess what? This is gonna be the solution to their problem. So this can solve their problem. They could watch the video. That's the free way of getting people, is just finding these groups, go in there, join the groups, and then just see. Don't just go post affiliate link. Answer questions, engage. You can add people on your Facebook as well. Communicate. Hey, how's your restaurant going? Hey, I see your restaurant is doing good. Or hey, how's the restaurant business? You know, you guys getting a lot of clients questions like that. Hey, by the way, I saw this awesome tool that can really help you get more clients for your business. That's what you're going to be communicating in chat. And then they would say, hey, you know, I'll take a look. All right, hey, check it out. That's where you're going to send them your affiliate link. So that's one way of doing it, is a free method of getting people to sign up for your business just by doing that free method. And you could go on Quora too, right? You can go on Quora. Quora is free. Reddit is free. Those are some places that you can go. You can type in restaurant. Now, once you type in restaurants, you see heaps, you know, tons of questions, you know, that is being popped up that you can even answer. Now, the paid method that you can do is go over to Udemy. Now, this is great because people are always looking for opportunities. They're looking for a way to, you know, better themselves and try to find money. So all you have to do is click on find sellers. If you want to know how this works, this is how much they're selling per click. This is like $59, 59 cents. So if you need 100 people visiting, that's going to be 59 bucks. This is 69, this is 59. This is 59 is 40, is 40, is 40 right here. 40, 40 cents, 54, 57, 58, 69. So if you want to try for the one that's 40, and this guy, Jason Thompson, you can click on him, right? Now what you're going to do, if you want only mobile, only top tier, you can click on there if it's only top tier. If you're going to buy 200 visitors for $100, you could do that too, right? Nothing's wrong with that. If you want to add mobile, you could do that. Now, what you want to do is you want to grab your affiliate link. After you get approved, grab the link and you're going to come over here, and this is where you're going to place your link. You're going to paste your affiliate link right here, put the link, and then you click add to cart. Once you add to cart, you just pay, whether it's your PayPal, your bank card, or anything. And then he will tell you, Jason will say, okay, listen, I'm going to send you some quality traffic. It's going to start at XYZ time. It's going to run here. It's going to go there. You know, how do we go? And then he will just send you traffic. So you can make money. That's the fastest way of making money. And you can make $98, you know, really quick. And it doesn't set up, it doesn't take a while for you to set up, right? As long as you get approved here, once you get approved, you grab your link, you come over here, you put your link there, and you just add to cart, you pay, they will do the work for you. But the people who don't have money to buy anything right now, the best place for you to go is on Facebook, Quora, engage with people, communicate, and then that's how. Yeah, this will take a little bit of time, but this is the fastest way. Now, fastest way to earn money, you know, in 60 seconds or less, not 60 seconds, 60 minutes or less. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. My name is Andre. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.